so stupid. The camera keeps on freaking falling. I hate you. Let's get a diamond sword, shall we? Wait, no! Let's get a diamond sword. Let's get 2 of those. Alright, let's fight some evil! Evil! Come at me, bros. I can throw my sword. Oh dude, this is a creeper. Blow on the tree, bro. Oh dude, not on the rails. Not on the freaking rails. Gonna kill you if you do on the rails. Gonna kill you if you poop on the rails, bro. Gonna kill you if you poop on the rails. Oh, eat that, man. Why do you keep meowing, bro? Oh! Nope, 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 nope. Alright, let's get some golden apples. Alright. Golden apples. Golden apples. Oh! It's guarded by damn skeletons. And it's gonna be a lot of fight times. Some announcements though. Gotta change my skin maybe. No. Get your butt over here. Don't point your butt at me, because that's not funny. Oh my god, man. No! Holy. Alright. I almost died. But nobody cares. Nobody gives a dog about it. I think I should put on the flesh in here. Just to be sure. Well, it's not even a joke. Extra health, bro. Oh, dude. I should pack some up. And I only have 1 more. Except there's thousands of these here. Oh, what? Stop messing with me. Alright. You got 4 on each side. Get those, put those there. Alright. Let's get this show on the road. Wait. Before we do that. Alright. Options. Go there. And then boom, man. Boom. Alright. Let's get ready to rumble. There is a freaking zombie on that freaking door. He wants to eat brains. Oh god. Can't kill me because of my dodging skills. Ooh, dude, that's a nice dodge. F you. Villagers, you're not safe around here. Get out now. Go to your places. You are gonna die if you... You little sucker. You wanna mess with me? You die. Alright. Oh, dude, a carrot. Alright, let's... Die! Got 4 arrows. Want a piece of me? This is Sparta. This is Sparta. With my diamond sword. Oh, let's go to that party room. I forgot that. The party, which looks like a weird castle thingy. The party room. don't even know why I named it that. I don't even know why I need to potty right now. Oh, sorry. Are you serious right now? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious, Notch? You gotta be kidding me. You sold Minecraft and now you spawn zombies on the freaking roof. What's next? A dinosaur? Well, I hope not, because I didn't download any dinosaur mods here. Get in there! Yeah, that's right. Suffer. Suffer. Nope, nope. Well, dude, there was only one hit. Gonna get that Enderman. Gonna get that Enderman. Die, sucker! The epic moment begins. Aww. Killing that Enderman wasn't worth it. Let's eat this rotten flesh. Let me know. Is that a skeleton? No, that's not a skeleton. Alright! This is how riders. Oh, oh. I'm gonna get you. One piece of me, Scully. Oh! Wow. What the heck? Oh, I can see that. Villager, what are you doing? Man, I knew I should have done that. Now I can't fight anymore. Because them zombies are gonna freaking... Wait, did I finish that? Alright. I'm gonna leave a hole there. Because I don't care anymore. Why? Die! That puts you in a weakness. Oh my... Please! Onegai. Onegai. Alright. Get this party on. Things are easier with diamond armor and diamond swords. What armor is this? But still though, gonna change my freaking skills. What's my... It's over now. The war has ended. Alright, YOLO. I'm just gonna get more. How to frick? I wanna get golden apples, bro. You can get golden apples here. By chopping down trees, right? What about here? I think it only works in creative mode, well. Oh, is it here? I don't even know anymore. No, well, it's not there though. I don't know how to activate a freaking nether reactor. I forgot how. I forget. I forget. I forget. Oh, it's right here. It's right here. It's right here, Jonathan. Oh, I got that name from the hidden mark. Alright. Let's get some glowing obsidian. Obsidian. Where's items? Oh, I saw glowing obsidian right there. Let's just do something. Come on. Glitchstone? The frick is this? Oh, that's actually cool. Oh, good. Where? There's no glowing freaking obsidian. Well, I don't know anymore. I'm just gonna research that. I freaking forget. I have another reactor there. I thought you were supposed to just freaking place that on the freaking nether portal or something. But meh. Part 2, bros. Yeah, part 2, bros. Bye bye. Joke. Anyway, just check out the freaking videos. Check them out. Check them videos out. It would be such a pleasure if you check out my videos. If you like them, then just like them. No problem. Goodbye, guys, and happy birthday if someone has a birthday or something. Advance or belated, I don't care. Have a nice day, everyone. Peace. Oh, wait. Before I go, I don't know what skin I should use. I'm just gonna use that, I don't know, some kind of human skin. Alright. See you later.